Try ko guys. Na-try nyo na yung wasabi flavor ng ng potato. Can't you see? I'm so fast. Come around. I'll show you how to fly. We can swim in an ocean of rainbows and trees. Nothing can make sense but you and me. Don't think about it, just follow my lead. Let's go higher tonight into the sky until we're feeling alright, feeling alright. Let's go higher tonight Nanonood daw si si Ashton. Nanonood daw si Ashton. Ashton
Higher tonight into the sky until we're feeling alright. Let's go higher tonight into the sky, just you and I.
Nasa Ashton, kung nanonood ka ng live, comment ka nga. Flavor ng fries mo, chili, barbecue, and sour cream, tapos isang wasabi. Guys, super sarap ng wasabi flavor ng potato. Yun, alam nyo na basta. Yun na yun. Masyado ba ang mataas? Bumaba siya, guys. Long time pag gusto ko mag-stream talaga. Gusto ko mag-stream ng gusto ko maglaro, guys. Mag-stream ng mga laro. Kaso wala pa akong webcam. Sino sa inyo, guys, merong PS5, PS4, ganun? Sino sa inyo may
Choose Nido 3 Plus.
Yes, sir.
Protection.
Guys, alam niyo yung ano? Yung Red Dead Redemption.
'Cause I was waiting on you all my life. I know our love is true. With you I'd be the one.
Arthur! You're a good man, Arthur.
I'm into you. Loving you is easy from the start. Ooh, 'cause I want to.
Kasi niloloko niyo ako, hindi naman nata ano eh. Ay, si bro. Hey! Shoutout sa'yo. Collab tayo ulit soon.
I'm on my way, pick you up so I can keep.
Kasi niloloko niyo ako, parang hindi naman ano eh. Wala naman, hindi naman nag-join si ano eh. Ashsin eh.
Be with you all our life. Oh, I must be dreaming, 'cause I was waiting on you all my life. I know our love is true. With me you'll be the one. Into you.
Are you half Korean? No po. I'm half Chinese po.
It's easy from the start.
Guys, rinig ba yung ano, boses ko? Or sobrang lakas ng speaker? Hello?
With you, it's easy from the start.
Hello?
'Cause I
Guys, rinig? Ah, okay. Rinig nga. Okay, rinig. Guys, hindi ko alam yung konti lang yung alam kong words sa sa Chinese, like hindi Chinese words. Kasi hindi ako lumaki sa guys, sa China. Dito ako lumaki sa Pilipinas. Kaya Tagalog ako, guys, pure Tagalog. Konti lang alam ko eh. Like, ni hao, xie xie, then buhay ni, then laubu means nanay. Laubu means mother, and laupe is dad. Yeah. Sino Chinese sa pamilya mo? Si iniisip pa yan. Guys, yung dad ko. Bale, yung lolo ko yung Chinese, guys. Then yung lola ko Pilipina. Sa father side, guys, yung Chinese. Lolo side ko, guys, yung Chinese. Teka, naglalag daw ako. Guys, ano kasi? Nakadata lang ako. Nakadata lang ulit ako. Wala, ano, live update na dito guys. Wala pa rin kaming internet. Sobrang ano guys, kaya for now, test muna. Test muna kasi walang internet eh. Ano na lang kami. Gagamit na kami ng data muna kami guys for now. Parang guys. Yeah, wave to earth guys. I really like their song. Wave to earth. HYBS. Yeah.
mo, di sapat ang regular toothpaste sa ngilo. Gumamit ng Sensodyne, ang dentist recommended toothpaste para sa ngilo.
Ting ads pa.
I've never known someone like you.
Kasi naglalag kasi medyo kasi nag-ano ako, nakadata lang ako. Nakadata lang po ako.
Found a clue. Don't forget to kiss me, or else you'll have to miss me. I guess I'm stuck forever by the glue on you. Finding the right words to use for this song. I have you in mind, so it won't take so long. Never thought I'd find you, but
Taga saan ka, Tyler? Taga ano ako guys?
when I say
I'm from Quezon City.
I look good, I want to you. Have to find that clue. Right onto you. I can stop my glue. Never known. I've never known someone like you. I've never known someone like you.
Ano kinakain mo? Ano guys? Ano po? Patatas. Potato fries.
I was closing all the blinds just so you could sleep the night through. I was staying by your side just so I knew you were okay. Then I was opening the door just to see if you would walk through. I started painting all the walls just to see if you liked the shade. I would love just to be stuck to your side.
I love my fans, guys. I really love my fans.
There's enough just to keep us occupied. No go.
Because
I would love
yung
just to
fans
be
talaga yung
stuck
ano,
to your side.
nagbibigay
Anybody,
ng
there's enough just to keep us occupied. No go.
hype sa grupo. Like, sa buong grupo ng sa larangan ng K-pop tsaka global pop group, K-pop group. Yung mga fans yung nagbibigay buhay sa kanila and to get famous.
Now I'm painting on my walls just to see if you like the shade. I would love just to be stuck to your side, not with anybody else, anybody else. There's enough just to keep us occupied. No go. I would love just to be stuck to your side, not with anybody else, anybody else. There's enough just to keep us occupied. No go. Not with anybody else, anybody else. Please don't go. Not with anybody else, anybody else. Please don't go.
More and more ang challenges sa school, kaya more and more dapat ang energy. Mag Milo Morning. Milo is
Anong haircut? Anong haircut? Mo ko yan. Ano to eh? Pag nagpapagupit ako actually guys, maintain ko yung length ng buhok ko di sa ibabaw, and sinasabi ko sa point ng nose ko yung haba ng buhok pagbabawasan nila, tapos yung gilid ayun, pinapabawasan ko ng pinapatrim ko lang yung gilid. Tapos hindi siya undercut guys eh. Kasi yung undercut, diba, merong dito sa likod, merong parang extra hair. Sa akin hindi ganun. Pantay siya sa likod. Ayan o guys, tignan nyo. Ayan. Miss ko na concert nyo kaya nga guys eh. Tagal namin hindi waiting lang kami sa comeback namin guys. Waiting kami sa na-miss ko na rin guys na mag-concert. Sana mag-concert na kami very soon. Na-miss ko na mag-perform sa stage. Any other stage. Kahit sa stage guys. Fave perfume. Maybe yung current na ginagamit ko ngayon is Diptyque guys. Yung Orpion. Yeah, that's my favorite perfume.
Every galaxy, it's always gotta be you I see.
Mm. Straight talaga, Kuya Al. Yes, straight talaga yung buhok ko, guys. Kasi inaalagaan ko siya.
Specific din sa sustansya.
Alagang-alaga ko yung buhok ko, guys. Kasi yan ang unang-unang tinitignan ng mga, alam nyo na. Kasi pag maganda yung buhok mo, nakaka-attract tignan. Like, parang dun mo makikita na parang maalaga yung tao kasi healthy yung hair niya. Tsaka yung ngipin dapat, guys, maputi. Yan ang kailangan. Yan ang basic hygiene ng lalaki. Tsaka dapat mabango.
Still come back around. I feel like I can finally let my guard down. I'm finally going somewhere, learning how to take things slow.
Wait,
I did all the things I could have kept away, and I'm thinking that love cannot be afraid. I had my time alone, I had my time to grow, I had my time to find my way. So
Hunger. Kasi hindi ako si Hunger, guys. Ano po gupit mo? Ano siya, guys? Na-explain ko na eh. Hindi ko na kailangan ulitin. Basta hindi siya undercut, guys. Ano lang. Nakawa ako, ulitin ko na nga lang ulit. Ano siya eh, yung yung ibabaw ng hair ko is mini-maintain ko yung haba. Like, pag sinasabi ko, pinapatrim ko lang siya, guys, kapag alam kong hindi na siya pag sobrang like may tumutusok, sinasabi ko, pag pinapabawasan ko yung hanggang point lang ng nose ko yung haba ng buhok ko. Tapos sa gilid, guys, pinapa-trim ko lang yung gilid. Then yung likod naman, yung likod ng buhok ko, guys, is trim lang din. Pinapalinis ko lang, gano'n. Like, makikita nyo naman, guys. Pag ganun yung niya. Pag ganun. Then, yung likod, guys.
You say I'm all that you're missing. So get
Ganyan, guys.
closer to me and tell me you
Ganun lang.
is for forever. I don't know where I'm going, but all that I know is when you're here by my side. Oh, my shoulders are you know how special you are. 'Cause I don't think you do.
Kailan kaya yung ano? Kailan kaya yung comeback namin? Yes, kailan?
It feels make believe when you lay your hand on my heartbeat. Na 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 na. So you closer to me and tell me you want this for.
Saan ka ba nagpapagupit? Sa Korea ba or dito sa salon? Sa ano? Sa salon mga... Guys, ano? Sa Juno Hair, sa BGC, guys, meron. Doon, Korean hairstylist yung magugupit sa inyo. Doon ako minsan nagpapagupit.
Things can't get done, but you're worth all my love. If we want this forever, we'll handle the pressure. 'Cause girl, I don't know where I'm going. All that I know is with you. Like here by my side, baby, my shoulders are lighter. My future looks brighter, and I feel so
Guys, meron ba kayong ano? Mare-recommend na webcam?
Choose wisely.
Kasi bala akong bumili.
Now,
Para pag nag-stream ako, ayun. Meron akong camera, di ba?
B,
Mas
C, D.
I can see you as my main thing. Now tell me, do you want the same things? See, I don't do this on the
Ano?
regular, but girl, you ain't regular. I answer every time that you call. Now you done got me having withdrawals, and honestly, it's the perfect night if you could be here tonight. 'Cause lately I've been so alone, spending this wealth all on myself. Got diamonds and cars in this house. See, I got everything I need here, but you, so girl, can you stay?
Ano shampoo mo? Ano guys? Yung
Losing patience, say you're on your way.
ano? Kundal. Kundal ba yun? Yeah, I think Kundal. Yeah, Kundal shampoo. Mabibili nyo yun sa ano? Sa Korean Mart. Sa BGC. Yeah, sa BGC ko rin siya na.
Things are starting to feel hazy, so hurry up, can you pick up the pace, babe? Too long without you, I go crazy, 'cause I get so lost in my mind. Think about you maybe half of the time.
Alam nyo guys, ano?
Why, but maybe it's 'cause I'm
Nung ano, super
spending this while.
meron ako nung ano, nagbike ako.
See, I got everything I need here, but you, so girl, can you
Merong
over my pace? I'm losing
may biglang tumakbo na ipis sa harapan. Tapos sa sobrang
we can do anything.
maawain ko, iniwasan ko para hindi siya mamatay.
Oh, better with you.
Sino mga ano dito? Sporty. Guys.
Don't you tell me that it wasn't meant to be.
I love playing basketball talaga, guys.
What a destiny.
Super na-miss ko siya. Kaya
Just because it
yung update ko last time.
doesn't mean
Ano yun?
shouldn't try.
Ngayon ulit ako nakapaglaro ng basketball. Kasi, yeah. Palagi ako ditong
We had
Naka-
everything going, babe.
palagi ako nandito sa dorm lang.
Might not have
Hindi ako masyado lumalabas, guys.
hesitate, but you know that I know that you will take the truth over the story.
Naglalaro ka ng badminton? Oh yeah, I played that before.
But I'm not about to let us fail. I'll be the one picking up.
Yung pickleball, gusto ko matry yun. Actually, gusto ko kung paano laruin yun. Pickleball. Ano rin eh. Actually, before nung before nung bago kami mag-perform nun. Hindi ko na maalala, I think siguro sa mall. Na-recommend sa akin, sinabi sa akin yun ni Vinci na try daw namin minsan yung pickleball, guys.
Inside out, back to fun. Oh, tango and messy. That's how we've been and we'll always be. And that's alright with me. Don't you tell me that it was meant to be. Call it quits, call it destiny. Just because it won't come easily doesn't mean we shouldn't try. Just because it won't come
Nung
easily
elementary ako, guys,
doesn't mean we shouldn't try.
sinalihan ko before is soccer, guys. Tinry ko yung soccer na sports. Pero di ako ganun masyado marunong. Pero ako yung pinaka-ahead. Like, may kaya na, alam nyo na. Alam ko lang gawin. Di ako masyado marunong mag-tricks sa soccer. Dire-diretso lang yung ginagawa ko before. Naalala ko nun 5 kami.
Doesn't mean we shouldn't try.
Sumali kami kasi gusto namin i-try different sport naman. Kasi na-try na namin basketball. Dama. Yung naglalaro kayo ng chess, alam niyo yun, guys. Dama yung nilalaro. And then sinong fave basketball player mo? Guys, si Ja Morant. Si Ja Morant, guys. Siya yung paborito kong basketball player for now.
Everything is not as it seems.
Ja Morant.
If only I could find a pair of glasses to help me see.
Tapos sa pagdating naman sa shooting, Steph Curry number 1. Yes, Steph Curry, guys.
Take me far away from the sun. If only I could find a way through space-time back to when I was happy.
Tutorial paano mag-chess. Meron yan. Hanap ka sa sa YouTube. tutorial to how to kung paano ka mag-chess, yan. Mga basic kung anong pwedeng gawin. Marami niyan sa YouTube. Di ako gaano magaling sa sa chess, guys.
Take me back to 2014, saw a pic this morning, far along the journey. The future was alluring. On the other side of TVs, hoping that they see me, but they hardly see me. At least that's how I see things. Isn't it funny how the time flies?
Taekwondo, I think siguro, Oo, nung before nung mga, nung grade, nung grade 5, yeah, na-try ko, mag-try. But pa ako, tutoy pa ako, sobrang, try ko taekwondo, pero ngayon hindi ko na napagpatuloy eh. Yung ibang mga kasama ko guys, nasa sarili na lang kwarto. Close ba kayo ng kapatid mo? Yes. Pag nagkikita kami, yeah. Half Chinese po. Panganay ka, yeah. Ang panganay. Na-try mo na po ba mag-ice skating? Hindi pa, pero roller skate na-try ko na guys. Kasama ko sila Winston, Rayster, Jeremy. Yeah. Kaming apat. Roller skate na mo jowa. Sana mag-vlog kayo ulit.
If you're
Yeah,
scared,
yung
this
hinihintay
can
ko
save
guys.
some of your time. The
Maybe
easiest way
after
to spot
ng
top essay marks
if
like this is to just
nakaluwag-luwag.
ask Grammarly to find gaps in your essay. It basically
Pag lahat merong time. Yeah. Baka yun, pwede kami mag-live together ng mga member ko. What's your height? What's your height? Ano guys? I'm 5'9". Anong best, guys, ano, sa Horizon, ano, yung Labi-Dabi. The best Labi-Dabi, guys. Stream Labi-Dabi, guys. Hindi kayo magsisisi pag in-stream nyo yung Labi-Dabi. Ano ba ganyan ka lang? 50% lang. Saan para di ganun kalakas? Yeah, I love it too. Ganda na itong kanta na. Kay Cheska. I know you know. sa group nyo. Si Vinci. Pero, yeah. Yeah, we go. So yun guys, kamusta naman kayo? Medyo, ayan nga, sobrang tagal no?
away from the crowd. Yes, you keep being who you are. That's why I love you. Thank you for coming and thanks for saving me. Thank you for choosing me.
Medyo matagal-tagal, ang tagal na wala pa kaming comeback guys. Pero sana maintindihan nyo. Talagang for now, wala kaming ano. Pero hope so, meron ng may ibigay na sa aming tatrabahuin, no? Diba? Pero may mga future events kami, guys. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Hindi pa naman mag-give up ang horizon, guys. As long as andyan kayo, di pa kami mag-give up.
Thank you for coming and thanks for saving me. Thank you for choosing me and loving me. Let's dance
Liwanag naman.
together until we can't breathe anymore. Oh.
Yan. Alam nyo guys, swerte yan na lang talaga if may kumuha sa amin na ang magbigay ng opportunity para sa amin.
A chocolate. Try now.
There's another universe, please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life if there's a point to losing love.
Alam nyo, guys,
It's all the same. I hate
balang araw magkakaroon din kami ng comeback. Yes. Balang araw.
Got to be more, got to be more. Sick of the alibi, intrusive thoughts that paralyze. No fun is not, it's advertised. There's got to be more than beautiful. Life's better or sadder. Got to break this pattern. Slowly away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I
Babalik pa yan guys. Tiwala lang. Matik yan. Babalik. Di pa... for sure magkaka-comeback pa kami. Naniniwala ako dun. Chill lang tayo dito guys. Sa sound trip lang.
Oh, the shine just for you. Warm all night. Tell me what you wanna do. 'Cause baby, I am all for you. Come and ride with me tonight. Please don't you go. I'll be alone. Wait until the morning. I'll hold you close. Please don't you go. I'll be alone. Wait until the
May sesame. May sesame.
till it's dawn.
May sesame cat ako. Ano yun?
The way you look
Girl siya pa name.
it's way too unbelievable.
Siguro ano? No wedding.
I know I'm the lucky one. Wonder what I've done to deserve you.
Julina. Pangalanan mong Julina. Julina. Yeah, I think Julina is cute. Julina.
I'll be alone. Wait until the morning. I'll hold you close. Please don't you go. I'll be alone. Wait until the morning. Right until it's dawning. Please don't you go. I'll be alone. Wait until the morning. I'll hold you close. Please don't you go. I'll be alone. Wait until the morning. Right until it's dawning.
You gotta just go for it. Don't think about what comes after or what came before.
End muna ako ng live guys. See you next year. End ka lang muna guys. Yan, sana
Say hello.
kita-kits soon.
Don't know why we're always scared to shy. Every time you are
Thank you. Bye bye.